Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn the best and easiest way of writing chemical equations on ChemDraw, and then we will paste those chemical equations from ChemDraw to the Microsoft Word or PowerPoint or any other software if you want to. There are two different ways and we will do that. Normally we encounter many problems while writing chemical equations on ChemDraw, and there is a very simple solution to them, and we will discuss them along with drawing the chemical equations. So as an example, I have selected this equation in which we have synthesized alkane from the reaction of alkyl magnesium bromide, which is also known as Grignard reagent, along with the water, and our products are ethane and magnesium bromide and hydroxide. So I will write this equation. I have both of my softwares opened over here. Let's start. First of all, I will increase the zoom value and we will write methyl group. This is our methyl group. First of all, I will increase the font size of the atoms and also the bond length. So I will go to the menu bar and go to the object, then object settings. Over here, I will increase the fixed length to the 0.5 inches. It is already selected, and atom labels of 16 are selected, and I will select this option, set default for untitled ACS document. It means whatever I will write over here, they will be all in this font size, and the bond length will be of 0.5 inches. CH3. If you will select this formula option from here, when you are writing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits over here, they will be automatically turned into subscripts. CH3, and here we have CH2, ethyl magnesium bromide. Mg and Br are ethyl magnesium bromide. This is ethyl magnesium bromide. Normally, when you write a formula, it is not written in the proper condensed form. Rather, hydrogen are being placed up. So what you will do, in order to place these hydrogen with the side of the carbon, you will select these. You will select these atoms and go to the alignment by clicking the right click, and then you will select any other option other than automatic. So this is our ethyl magnesium bromide. Then we will add the partial sign over here. There are two different ways of adding partial sign. We will discuss both of them in this video. The first way is, you will go over here, go to the symbol, and then when you will type D from the keypad or keyboard, automatically you will see a partial sign over here. So this is a partial sign, and we know that in Grignard reagent, the carbon which is attached with the magnesium bears a partial negative charge. So this is our negative charge over here. And then the second way of writing a partial sign, you will go to view options, view, and select show character map. In character map, you can see all different types of symbols. Here you can select the partial sign, and here we get the partial sign. And here, partial positive and partial negative. Now I will align these two. I will go at object and align, align and top edges. I have aligned these both, and I think I should group them now. Yes, that's the way. Okay, now I will group these all. Again, I will go to the object in the menu bar, and then you can see group. I have grouped this one. So this is my ethyl magnesium bromide, and then I will write my water molecule over here. Hydrogen, and this one. This is a water molecule, and again I will write the partial signs over here. Go to the symbol option and type D, small d, and here small d. First of all, I have to go to the option symbol and small d. So I got these two. I will align them later, and hydrogen carry partial positive charge, so I will write a positive charge over here, and hydroxide will have a partial negative, so here we got a negative sign. Okay, again I will align these two partial signs. Object, align top edges. I will move them a little bit downwards. Yeah, here. Again I will select these all and go to the object in the menu bar, and I will group them. Then I will align these three. Object, align top edges, and then I will group them all. Why I am doing so? Because when at the end of equation you will align them all, normally it encounters problems. So in order to avoid those problems, I am aligning them individually rather than grouping all the equation together. Then we will use our arrow. Here you see, and we got an ethene in the products, CH3. If you select the formula, you can go over here, CH3, and then CH3. CH3, and along with magnesium bromide and hydroxide. I'll scale it a little. Yes, that's good. Now this is our magnesium. One bond with bromine. One bond with bromine. And this other bond with hydroxide. You can write this magnesium bromide or hydroxide in a linear fashion as well. I will move these a little bit to the left so that I can write this magnesium bromide and hydroxide without any interruption in a linear way. So I'm selecting this all and moving it here. Yes. Yes, and this one here. This positive for a second product. Also here, and then no, it's okay. Yes. Now in next step, I will align my products object, go to the align option, top edges, and I will again group them all. Here you see, and in the last I will group all of my reactants and the products. Now see, I got my chemical equation. Here you see we have ether, so I will type ether over here, ether, and below the arrow we have hydroidine, and then I will select it all and again group it. After grouping, I will simply copy. There is a copy option over here and paste. Here you see I have my complete chemical equation over here. Either you can copy or you can take the snipe of this one, or you can choose options from here. There's a copy option as well. Cut, copy and paste. You can select any one. So this is the best and easiest way of writing chemical equations. I hope you have learned a new thing from this video, and please, if you find this video interesting, like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.